Israel seeks non-aggression pact with Gulf states. Baghdad governor sacked amid protest. Denmark to send $7.3 million to clear mines in Syria. Germany wants closer cooperation with Turkey, Minister. Tunisian president hopeful boycotts parliamentary polls. At least 23 killed in Burkina Faso militant attack. US and Taliban seek path to restart Afghan peace talks. Taliban meets US top peace envoy in Islamabad. Bangladesh and India to expedite Rohingya repatriation. India and Bangladesh express concern over border killing. Pakistani PM warns against crossing Kashmir border. Kashmir party groups gets permission to meet leaders.